just about closing down.
Good morning, YouTube. Well, it's Monday morning. It's like 25 degrees, a little wind, nothing bad, but weather is saying that it's supposed to snow, maybe 3 to 6 inches of snow, and it looks like it's coming that way. We're really close. We're like in the southwest corner of Nebraska. So Wyoming is that way, and Colorado's that way, and so the weather report is Colorado's about to get dumped on, so it's probably going to be coming like this. I just went in there and talked to Bonnie and Leon, and they said that some little white truck is going to show up and tell me where they want to take me to unload me. So I said, hey, can I untarp before they get there here? And they said, yep. So I'm going to start untarping this thing and probably take some straps off. They're supposed to be here about 7:30.
I can't get mine to load it turn, Sally.
Hold on a second.
Car yet.
Hold on, I'm behind you. Hold on a second.
Okay.
I got some cars. Let me see if I can get them backwards.
Yeah, I'll run up here and say it one and turn around if there's traffic behind us there.
Yeah, I got two four-wheelers behind me.
Okay. I'll get up here and say it one and turn around.
Hold on a second. One's moving out of the way. I can then get you more room. Hold on a second. Yeah, I think I can get you.
Okay, back up now.
Yeah, go ahead. Watch out, one's on your left.
Okay. Yeah, I think I'm good here. Thanks a bunch. Thought I was going slow enough. I guess I wasn't. It just kept sliding.
I was
watching you. It didn't look like you were sliding, but it must have been the front end.
In a quarter mile,
I thought you were
turn
gonna
left
make
onto
it.
Colorado
We
71 South.
appreciate you holding traffic up there.
Don't worry. Be safe.
Take the next left onto Colorado 71 South.
Another vehicle coming at us. 10-4.
There's like 4 of us coming.
Yeah, up there about a mile or so, there's a pickup and a horse trailer and another car off on your side of the road. Down the road a little ways further, there's a big truck off on your side of the road. And then a little ways further, there's another pickup and a white trailer off on my side.
Copy. There's a white pickup off on your side about, I don't know, probably about 3 miles. There's one on my side just sitting in the road, and it's pretty clear after that.
Good. Anyway, it's pretty much like this all the way back to Lyman. Where that pickup horse trailer and that other little car is, it's in between one of them banks up there, and they are hard to see. It may make you move, but I was getting nervous sitting there.
No, you're good, Bumpy. You got one that's passing. It's a white Tahoe.
Oh, lovely.
Red in color, sorry, red.
Well, I'm pretty much an idiot, huh?
You're not wrong.
That was probably some of the most, that 50 miles I couldn't see. That was crazy. I don't know if it was the smartest thing I ever did, but man, there was 2 times where I came to a complete stop. All I was trying to do was look for the reflector pole, and I could see that there was a truck in front of me. I thought it was a truck. It turned out to be that hot shot guy. So I was one, I didn't want to go too fast because I didn't want to run into the back of him, but two, I didn't want to lose his tracks because I was watching his tracks and I was watching the reflector poles. That's the only things that I was kind of navigating on. Everything else was white. And two times, man, it just came, I had to come to a complete stop.